Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. You need to start by opening device's settings. Now scroll down and click on Security section. Over here. Then you need to scroll down again and tap on Screen Lock. Following that, tap on the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. When you're ready, you need to create it. Then select Next at the bottom right corner if you wish to continue, or Clear at the bottom left one in order to correct some mistake. Now you need to repeat your login method in order to confirm it. Select Confirm at the bottom right corner and tap on the best option for you to decide how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with show sensitive content only when unlocked, so I have to click on this option and tap on Done at the bottom right corner. Now when I go back, turn off my screen and turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!